friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am on again. This is my second video for the day. I just shared the Strawberry Accordion album. This one is for the pillow box. I just shared an Instagram reel. I had good lighting. There's still good lighting in my craft room, which is nice. So the pillow box, again, Erica's Dyes, Scrap Diva Designs. It is the large purse pillow box. You guys can find it at Scrap Diva Designs. I will add the link to it. It's the easiest thing to do, honestly. I just went crazy cutting up all kinds of different papers. Like, I still have some undone that I'm still working on, but my mind just, it jumps from project to project to project because I have a couple other that I'm working on too. And oh my gosh, Erica's Dyes are just fun, and she has allowed me to be part of her guest design team for another month, which was really sweet of her. And I absolutely love these pillow boxes. I usually will use my silhouette cameo, and I do a little longer, but this is the cutest, and I'm excited because I can fill these up with goodies. I might do a giveaway pretty soon because I hit 500 followers here on YouTube. Yay me. I don't usually make a lot of videos, and that's why it's slow in growing my channel, but I'm working hard to make more videos. I'm also a little bit on the lazy side, and I just want to make stuff and share pictures and then move on to the next project is my reasoning for not making videos. So the pillow box are super easy to assemble, and I will share Erica's video that she made, and you guys can follow that. So you're going to end up taking this die and making, cutting two of each of the base. So this will be your base. Then you take the second piece, and this is for all the inside little compartments there. And then there's this one here, but I haven't used this one because really I've been embellishing with my own stuff that I haven't really used them, but I do want to use and try them out and see how I can add them. So what I did was I just gathered up as many papers as I could find and just played around, and we'll go through them all. This one is made out of corrugated paper, that cardboard stuff. Actually, it's not real cardboard, but it's thick. I picked it up at Tuesday morning. It's Fancy Pants design, which surprised me. But I want to say they sold them individually, maybe, at Joann's. And I grabbed them at Tuesday morning. They were in a pack, I think, of like 15 or 25. I can't remember. So I have a stash in this color, this turquoise aqua color, and then I also have a gray, like a real light gray. So I might do a Halloween one with it. But I took my crepe paper. I've been working with Sweet Story because it has a strawberry. And I shared my little camper online, which is super cute. I'll be sharing a video for that too. But I got to finish it up. But see, I jump all over the place, and so I never finish my projects. And anyway, so I fussy cut all the little hot air balloons and just made a cluster. I don't know what I was trying to make, but I like the way it turned out. I added little fussy cut butterflies, and then the bow is from the ephemera package, and then I did the little Scotty dog there, and I did a little gemmy, the little, what are they, diamond dots? I think I got some from my friend Vero for sure, and then some other, like the dark pink ones, the dark pink in there, I actually found at Joann's on clearance for like, I think 50 cents. Like, they had a bunch for 50 cents, so I grabbed just a few colors because there's so many in there, like you'll never finish them. So that's what I did with this. The only thing I did mess up was when I laid this down. It should have been kind of like, you can see how it's on the back side there, and I kept the back forward, so I wasn't paying attention, but it's okay. I'm thinking I'm going to add something back here just because I don't want this to be seen, but I might add my little logo back here, down here somewhere. So that's that one. This apple one is a school one, is made out of some like old school paper that I had. A friend of mine just gave me a bunch of stuff. I tend to be the catch-all for my friends because I'm crafting, so they give me all their stuff they don't want. But I ended up adding just the apple, the shaker die back here, and then I layered this fun little apple on there, and then added all these little chipboard stickers and whatnot. And these are little chipboard stickers. I thought they fit there perfectly. And I think I might give this one to my daughter's teacher with a little gift card for like Starbucks for the, you know, first week of school, like you survived kind of thing. And I think it's so cute, and maybe put a little thank you note in there. So we'll see about doing that. And then this one, oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite right now. This is a collection called October Lane, and it is from the CutShoppe. Ashley Horton, I believe is her last name. I know her name's Ashley. Is the person, she owns the CutShoppe, and it's just like a digital SVG files, mainly for like documenting daily and or, you know, your scrapbook pages. And I document daily, I just don't share it online, but she has this collection. Oh my god, the colors, the designs, I just love it. Like this one, it's the stars, which I put back here, and I did do a lot of stitching on this one, and I did 6 to a page for this one. I printed out the PDF sheet that came with this, and then she had all these little words. I printed 2 sets on a sheet, and then I just cut it out and added it there. And I like the color too. Oh my gosh, just so cute. I did use Erica's the little flower set, this guy here, and then I added enamel dots. Oh, the foliage there is from the stamp market. It's this set here. I'm gonna link it if it's still available. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but it's been working out for me. I wanted a big one. I'm gonna have to use my die cut for what I'm planning, but I just love the way it looks. Again, Velcro. Oh, I love it. This is probably my favorite. It's the colors. I still don't know what I'm doing with my October daily. I'm just making random stuff and see what I use and don't. And then this Halloween one I shared, this is Bella Boulevard, I believe. Yeah, it's Trick or Treat and Happy Hauntings, I think. I know this one is the Trick or Treat, but I can't remember the other one. I think it is Happy Hauntings, but it's so cute. I love it. And then I just used the word paper, and the back paper is also it's a black with white stars on it, which worked out perfectly. I mean, you can't really see the stars that much, but they're there. And then I did some fussy cutting with a little cupcake and added it there. And again, Velcro. You can see the paper on the inside is little owls. So cute. So cute. And I still have more. I have a bunch of papers cut. I just went through and found a bunch of papers that I wanted to play with. And these were the 4 that I ended up finishing up because I ran out of light and I couldn't see anymore because I'm getting old. And so my lighting in my room is just my bedroom, one of my bedrooms in my house. And it is filled with all my crafty stuff. Anywho, if you guys want to get this die, it is available on Erica's shop. I will link up. Don't forget to check one of her design team members because they get a discount, so you get 10% off. So use their discount. I know there's Hello, It's Me, Roxie 10, Carol Hurlock 10, I believe, and that'll get you like 10% off. So that's a good discount for some of these dies. So thank you so much for watching, Erica. Thanks again for letting me play with your dies. They are so much fun. I am thoroughly enjoying them. So you guys come back for my next one. Probably not till next week though. Next video, because I don't like making them. But thank you so much. Bye.